okay? If I sit with $100 in my pocket, folks, there is no economy. If you want to be economic, you let money flow. It has to move. You got people in your company, managers and executives that are saving money. They save their money. I'm like, what are you doing, dude? We're saving money. How can you grow a department if you go home and all you do is save shit? You know, you open up somebody's freezer and they got ice cream that's 3 months old. It's got this much left. You got Diet Coke that's 4 days old. It's got that much left in it, okay? You got Ziploc containers. You have whole cabinets of Ziploc containers and little plastic things where you, in case you had some leftover corn or peas or potatoes, you're like, don't throw it away. Save that. Save that much pork chop. Maybe I'll hit it tomorrow.
See, like this, somebody put this back in here. That's probably Elena doing that. There's no reason to put this back here. It reminds me of my mama. Reminds me of when I grew up. Save everything. It's a terrible product anyway. Why you want to save it? Look at this. She put 2 apples in here. Don't put them back in the refrigerator, man. Eat them or toss them. You're not going to go broke or get rich saving leftovers.
What are you guys doing, man? You got shit in your closet that you ain't ever gonna wear. It don't fit you. It ain't fit you in years, right? How many of you got stuff at your house you could get rid of? You're trying to save stuff. Dude, how can you have new stuff come in when you're holding on to stuff that you don't even use? Right? So you have to use this. It only becomes valuable when it's used. Now the question is, what are you gonna use it on? And the other question is, why don't you use it? Why are you so compelled to hold on to it? What do y'all think that is? You don't know how to get more. Number one reason, your mother did not know how to get a new shirt. That's why she put so much time and energy in cleaning the shirt you got a stain on. Okay? You broke a toy, your parents got upset with you. Can't believe you did that. What, did what, man? Dude, toys are to be broken. That's what a good toy is for, right? Right? I lost a quarter when I was 8 years old, and I would have thought my house was going to get torn apart because my dad became so upset about the quarter. You're playing with money. Never play with money. What are you doing playing with money? And that lesson pounded on me so hard, it kept me from making real money for 20 years.